Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Bright's mother stumbles upon photograph that has her thinking twice about her son-in-law. Heidi Parker and Ed Savitt had dated for over 4 years before their mother found out the truth. Heidi's mother found a photo that will change the course of their lives. Heidi and Ned's relationship, and ultimately their lives, changed for the better. Watch the full story on CNN.com's Apparently This Matters at 9 p.m. ET on Monday, November 14. Heidi Alice Parker is a British journalist and blogger based in Sheffield, South Yorkshire. She met her husband, Ed, at Newcastle University in England. She first decided to live on the campus when she came to Newcastle. In one of the student dorms with a few roommates, she made friends easily and she's been doing well. After a few months of being in the dorms, however, she realized she was not really living the independent life she had been looking for. She decided to move out after a whole lot of thinking and start living alone in a studio apartment near campus. Heidi easily found the new house and was rather excited to start a whole new life on her own. She spent days organizing and decorating her new place, and finally, the day she moved out, Heidi went to her old dorm front office to give the new tenants keys and leave that place for good. Destiny, however, had very different plans for her. Just minutes after she settled in her new apartment, the guy named Ed Savitt got a strange message on Facebook. Namely, he was the new tenant she handed the keys to earlier that day in the front office. He allegedly didn't know how to use it. Way to get moving, Ed. What a line for pickups. Ed Savitt was born in 1991 to parents Fiona and Jonathan Savitt in Putney, southwest London. He had evidently lived with his parents for too long and decided it was time for him to turn a new leaf and start life on his own. That is how he ended up in the Newcastle University students' dorm. When Heidi got the message from Ed, she was surprised, but as she admitted later, she decided to answer and help him because he was hot. Heidi wanted to go back to the student flat to show poor Ed the process in person after having tried to fail to demonstrate how to use the washing machine over Facebook messages. We can't help but wonder if she would have been so nice had she been somebody less hot. When Heidi got there, Ed was already waiting for her with a basket full of dirty laundry. She showed him the whole process of how to use the machine, and she even stuck around to see him repeat the process on his own, just to be sure he understood. When she was about to leave, Ed stopped her, asking her the question that will eventually turn both of their lives upside down. From the moment Heidi saw Ed, she hoped he would ask her out, and he did. Ed asked if she would like to go out with him to the cafe next to the campus. Heidi was more than enthusiastic and instantly said yes. I thought he was gorgeous. I thought he was actually amazing. All I can remember thinking is, wow, he's hot. Heidi later remembered. Heidi and Ned clicked almost instantly. After spending a few hours together, they quickly realized they were meant for each other. They both liked the same stuff and enjoyed each other's company. After their first date, they became inseparable, and soon they fell head over heels for each other. It was love at first sight, or so they thought. Heidi and Ed became true college sweethearts. They've always been together and things got really serious. They graduated from college in 2015 and both Heidi and Ed were in their lives ready for a new start. The Birds of Love moved to London because Heidi wanted to pursue her new PR job and Ed wanted to realize his dream of opening a cafe. They had still lived separately though. Heidi and Ed asked for a little attention in the middle of the dinner conversation because they were about to make an important announcement, their commitment. The college sweethearts had decided to get married by year's end. Their mothers became ecstatic because their babies were getting married and they couldn't stop smiling. The team continued Their dinner discussion after the initial shock had subsided and told a lot of stories about their lives. One story though that Heidi's mother, Kee, said that night was about to mess with the heads of everyone. Namely, Kee described a time when her family was on vacation in Turkey when Heidi was just 6 years old in 1997. She never realized in the wildest dreams that this story will prove to be a true game changer. Heidi and Ned tied the knot during a wonderful ceremony attended by the family and friends in 2016 at Houghton Hall in Derbyshire. The celebration was huge, with a blast from both the newlyweds and their guests. When we find out we had been together for 4 years, and it's not to think we might never have known, it's insane to think that we could have married, lived our lives together, but never found out about it, Heidi said after the marriage. After the wedding, the new husband and wife went on their honeymoon to the Maldives. Together, they used the opportunity to reflect on everything that had happened to them and share their love for one another. It was brilliant. We love telling people how we met twice, and we've been back to Botrom recently to see where we met. It was really exciting to go back to where the miracle started, Heidi said. Whether you believe in the fairy tales or not, you can't deny the miracle behind this Ed and Heidi story. It proves that there is always someone beautifully created for you, and all you need to do is trust that you can finally meet them. Even if it happens on a holiday halfway across the world when you're only 6, their story brings back confidence and love, and also teaches us that no matter how well we think we know someone, we can always be shocked by what life has for us in store.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.